So I try to find something that is around 100 calories or less, generally with high protein, and that would be my get me through it snack if I'm truly that hungry. And I'm generally not that hungry at 11:30. Okay, so my go-to get me through it drinks, if I just need to tide myself over and I'm feeling a little on the hungry side, would either be a latte with whole milk, or pomegranate juice currently is a drink of choice, and or a kombucha.
So, I mean, generally when I wake up in the morning, I'm at a 1, approaching a 0. So, coffee with cream helps tremendously. And that's kind of my go-to in the morning. And that keeps me till midday. When I try not to let the hunger go too far. The hungrier I get, the less likely I am to make good choices about what I do eat. Maybe I'll just end up grabbing the first thing I see, a bag of chips, and eating, too much of it. And then I feel like garbage. And so I try when I'm at about a 2 to eat my first meal.